I'll be opening my visa for the very first time. Hi guys, my name is Bijoy Mahapatra. So I started my journey in the month of February as I was planning for UK and my intake was September 2023 intake. I came across Azent and Azent helped me out throughout my journey. They helped me with my SOP and LOR, which I filed my application with the University of Exeter and I received my conditional offer letter in the month of March. After that, the next step was to clear my IELTS exam. I scored 8 bands in total, and the next step was to arrange my funds and my accommodation. So they helped me out throughout this journey and I received my visa today, and I'm very glad to share this experience with you as I'll be opening my visa for the very first time. I would like to thank Azent for all their help, and if you're a student who is planning for study abroad, then I would highly recommend Azent.